Hi everyone, welcome to GTech Techno Solution Private Limited. We are going to discuss about a very interesting topic, Roman numerals. So these are the topics that we are going to discuss in this session. We are going to study about Hindu-Arabic number system followed by the Roman numerals. After which we will be studying about the rules for Roman numerals. So what is meant by Hindu-Arabic number system? This number system was created by Hindus and Arabs and it is used till date. In Hindu-Arabic number system, the numbers are grouped by tens. And it uses 10 digits or symbols. It has a place value. So this is how you have the number system in Brahmi and Arabic systems. So if you see, the number system that we use currently is over here. And this script shows the number system of the Arabs. This is the number system that is followed by Hindus. So this is how the number system has been evolving. Now, let us see about Roman numerals. Roman numerals was originated in ancient Rome. And the Roman letters are given values and the letters are used in the name of numerals. If you see over here, in Roman letters, 1 is represented as I, 5 is represented as V, similarly 10 is represented as X, 50 is represented by the letter L, 100 is represented by the letter C, 500 is represented by the letter D. Your 1000 is represented by the letter M. So this is how representation of the numbers is done using the Roman letters. And the Roman numerals for numbers 1 to 15 are shown below. 1 and 2 times I is 2. 3 times I is 3. 1 and a V represents 4. So, this set represents how the numbers are written in Roman letters. Moving on, we are going to see how the Roman letters are written down. In Roman letters, a symbol will not be repeated more than thrice. So maximum, a letter will be repeated up to 3 times. If it is repeated, then its value is added as many as time it occurs. So if there are 3 ones, then it represents 3 times 1 in addition, which is 3. So here if you see, your 1 is written as this format. And if we write the letter I 3 times, it means the value is 3. The symbols 5, 50 and 500 are never repeated. The symbol of smaller value on the right of a symbol of a greater value is placed, then the value gets added. So if you see, we have the symbol of a smaller value, that is 1, which is placed to the right of the value of a greater value, say 5. So this gets added to the value of v, that is 5, which means 1 is added to 5 to get the value of the letters over here, which is equal to 6. So this is how the Roman numerals are framed. Moving on, we are going to see how the smaller value of symbol is present to the left of the greater value symbol. In that case, the value is subtracted. To make this clear, let us go for an example. Here if you see, we have a letter with smaller value to the left of a letter with a larger value. Here, v is nothing but 5 and I is 1 and it is to the left of 5. So this implies 1 is subtracted from 5. So the value of the Roman number IV is 4. If you see the symbols 5, 50 and 500, which is V, L and D, never appear to the left of a symbol with a greater value. Let us see an example to make this point clear. 15 is represented in Roman numeral as XV. X has the value to be 10 and V has the value to be 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15. And it cannot be written as Vx because your V or L or D never appears to the left of a symbol with a greater value. Here X is 10, which is greater than 5. So it does not appear. So it has to be written as XV. Moving on, we are going to see if the symbol of a smaller value comes between the symbols of greater value. In that case, the lower valued symbol must be subtracted from the higher valued symbol. Your lower valued symbol must be subtracted from the higher valued symbol immediately after it. So if you see, you have a lower valued symbol immediately after a higher valued symbol and it is placed in between another higher valued symbol. So in this case, the lower valued symbol is subtracted from the higher valued symbol. So your X is nothing but 10 and your lower valued symbol is 1. It has to be subtracted from the higher valued symbol, which is 5. So 5 minus your lower valued symbol, that is 1, gives you 4. So that is 14. 10 plus 4. So this is how your Roman numerals work out. The next rule for Roman numerals is your symbol 1 can be subtracted from 5 and 10 only. The value of 4 and the value of ix is 9. So this example illustrates that the lower value symbol, that is 1, which is I, can be subtracted from 5 and 10 only. So 1 V, in the sense 5 minus 1, which is 4, and the value of ix is nothing but 10 minus 1, which is 9. Our next rule is x, which is having the value of 10, can be subtracted from the values such as 50, 1000 and 100 only. So L is 50, M is 1000, C is 100. So these are the values from which you can subtract the value of 10. Your 10 is subtracted from 50 to get 40. So in this case you can write down XL for the value 40. That is 10 is subtracted from 50 to obtain the value 40. If you see, we have a Roman number which is placed with a bar over it. In that case, the value gets multiplied by 1000. Let us take the example. Here we say V has the value to be 5, and when I place a bar over it, then the value of this Roman numeral will be multiplied by 1000. So V bar has the value as 5000, which is 5 into 1000. The bar represents 1000. Thank you so much for joining GTech. Hope you would have got a very good idea about the Roman numerals. Thank you.